Engineer. Annyeonghaseyo. Please receive your 50 pesos for allowance, and that is from Shokuminim.
Shokuminim. Annyeonghaseyo. Kamsahamnida.
Kamsahamnida. Sige, bye na dong takaw na.
Hello, Rimel.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Walay klase inday?
Naa. Hapon nun.
Afternoon session. So, I'm here to deliver your 2 bugas, 25 kilos rice. Wala man kay bugas, no? Padung ka mo balik bugas unta. Okay. So, and also 200 pesos pocket money for you. And that is all from Ichangunim.
Ichangunim, annyeonghaseyo. Kamsahamnida.
Okay, bye-bye. Annyeonghaseyo, Maxine, ma'am.
Annyeonghaseyo, sir.
Okay, kumusta?
Okay ra.
Okay ra?
Kaya ra.
So, I'm here to deliver 10,000 pesos for you. Okay, please receive and count. Okay, and that is from Ichangunim.
Ichangunim, annyeonghaseyo. Kamsahamnida.
Okay, bye-bye. Annyeonghaseyo, Junlin, ma'am. Okay, so the 2 teachers are not here, so you will receive the delivery for Junlin. She have 2 box of chocopie, and also for Eliza 2 box each, and you will be the one to take a video. And that is from Kim Sarangnim.
Kim Sarangnim, annyeonghaseyo. Kamsahamnida for Eliza and Junlin.
Okay, bye-bye. Annyeonghaseyo, Teacher Arlene.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay.
Good morning.
Good morning. So I'm here to deliver the 6,000 pesos to your debutant, Honey. Okay. And that is from Bonim.
Bonim, annyeonghaseyo. Kamsahamnida for Honey's birthday. Thank you so much.
Okay, bye-bye. Annyeonghaseyo, Ayana, ma'am.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, so Ayana is in the school today, so she will be arrive around 1 p.m. Okay, so naay cellphone si Ayana? Wala siya cellphone?
Wala siya cellphone, sir.
So I'm here to deliver Ayana's cellphone. Okay, and that is from Handolnim.
Handolnim, annyeonghaseyo. Kamsahamnida.
Okay, you will take a video natin dayon mag-unbox siya. Okay, and also for her cell phone cover, tempered glass, earphones, or etc. Bisag unsa lang nga mapalit aning mabagay aning nga cellphone. Okay, Chaji Hunim gives 2,000 pesos for cell phone accessories.
Chaji Hunim, annyeonghaseyo. Kamsahamnida. Thank you for the cell phone and sa
Accessories.
2,000 cash.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Teacher Virgie.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Please receive your mini donuts from Gigumdori Timjangnim.
Gigumdori Timjangnim. Kamsahamnida.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.